Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about what is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating systems that can learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following fixed instructions, machine learning models identify patterns in large amounts of information and use those patterns to make predictions, classify data, or make decisions. At the core of ML is the idea that computers can learn from experience, similar to how humans learn. For example, if you show a machine learning model thousands of photos of cats and dogs, it can learn to distinguish between them based on patterns it recognizes. Machine learning is commonly divided into three types. 1. Supervised learning. The model learns from labeled data, e.g. emails marked as spam or not spam. 2. Unsupervised learning. The model finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data, e.g. grouping customers by behavior. 3. Reinforcement learning. The model learns through trial and error by receiving rewards or penalties, e.g. training robots or game-playing AI. ML powers many everyday technologies, such as recommendation systems, voice assistance, fraud detection, medical image analysis, and self-driving vehicles. It is a fundamental driver of modern AI advancements. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.